Hi friends, welcome. Today we see the 5 information system. When you think of a microcomputer, perhaps you think of just the equipment itself. That is, you think of the monitor or the keyboard. Yet there is no more to it in that. The way to think about a microcomputer is a part of an information system. An information system has 5 parts. Number 1 people, number 2 procedure, 3 software, 4 hardware, 5 and data. Number 1 people. It is easy to overlook people as one of the 5 parts of an information system. Yet, this is what a microcomputer is all about, making people and users like you more productive. Number 2 procedures. The rules of guidelines for people to follow when using software, hardware, and data are procedures. These procedures are typically documented in manuals written by computer specialists. Software and hardware manufacturers provide manuals with their products. These manuals are provided either in printed or electronic form. Number 3 software. A program consists of the step-by-step instructions that tell the computer how to do its work. Software is another name of a program or information processed facts. For example, a payroll program would instruct the computer to take the number of hours you worked in a week, data, and then multiply it by your pay rate, data, to determine how much you are paid for the week, information. Number 4 hardware. The equipment that processes the data to create information is called hardware. It includes the keyboards, mouse, monitor, system unit, and other devices. Hardware is controlled by software. Number 5 data. The raw unprocessed facts including text, numbers, images, and sounds are called data. The processed data yield information. Using the previous example of payroll program, the data number of hours worked and pay rate is processed multiplied to yield information weekly play. Almost all of today's computer systems add an additional part to the information system. This part called connectivity allows two computers to connect say to information. This connection including internet connection can be by telephone lines, by cable or through the air. Connectivity allows users to greatly expand the capability and usefulness of other information systems. In a large computer system, there are specialists who write procedures, develop software, and capture data. Microcomputer systems, however, end users often perform those operations to be a competent and end users. You must understand the essential of information technology, IT including software and hardware and data. What is the difference between data and information? Data. Data is a raw and unorganized fact that is required to be processed to make it meaningful. It can be considered as fact and statistics collected together for reference or analysis. Data are individual units of information. In analytical processes, data are represented by variables. Data is always interpreted by a human or machine to derive meaning. So, data is meaningless. Data contains numbers, statements, and characters in a raw information. Information is delineated because the structured, organized, and processed data conveyed inside context that makes it relevant and helpful to the one who decides it. Data suggests that raw facts and figures regarding individuals, places, or the other issues that is expressed within the type of numbers, letters, or symbols. Information is the knowledge that is remolded and classified into an intelligible type, which may be utilized in the method of deciding in sorts one knowledge end up to proposal when convention. It is referred to as information. It is one of the thing in informs. In essence, it provides a solution to a specific question. It may obtain information numerous sources like newspapers, internet, television, people, book, etc. What is meant by connectivity? Connectivity is a word used to describe how well hardware and to software devices can be communicated with range of the other devices. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please